Hello everyone, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is July 2nd, 2025, and we're taking a look at Apple, ticker symbol Apple. We're going to dive into the latest news surrounding Apple and then correlate it with what we're seeing on the charts. Recent news highlights an upgrade from Jefferies, but the analysts suggest that it's not necessarily time to buy. There are concerns about potential tariffs impacting Apple's earnings and the lack of groundbreaking features in the upcoming iPhone 17. However, some experts are optimistic about Apple's AI-driven upgrade cycle, possibly leading to a $5 trillion market cap. Now, let's take a look at the Apple daily chart. We see that Apple has been quite volatile over the past year. After a period of decline, particularly in March and April of 2025, where it dips as low as around 170 and 180, the price has been gradually recovering, showing a positive trend recently. Notice the large green candle on June 11th, followed by another on June 12th. This could have been spurred by some news relating to AI or other factors. However, since then there's been an overall uptrend, climbing steadily to where we are today. Looking at shorter time frames, let's switch to the 1-hour chart. This gives us a better view of the more recent price action. We can see a resistance around 210 and a slight dip in the past few days. This might be due to the analyst downgrade or some other market factor. Focusing on that more recent data, now let's switch to the 15-minute chart. We'll get a detailed view of that immediate market behavior. Over the last day, we can see price consolidating around that resistance at about 207. In the short term, keep an eye on the $207 level. If it breaks above this, we could see a push towards $210. However, failure to break that resistance could mean it might consolidate or even reverse back towards that lower support. A break below it could signal a further downward trend, possibly testing support around $200. In the long term, keep an eye on Apple's AI developments and any tariff-related news. A positive breakthrough in AI could easily drive the stock higher, reinforcing the bullish sentiment. Conversely, negative tariff news could drag it down. To recap, watch the $207 resistance for a potential breakout and $200 for potential support. The likelihood of these happening depends on upcoming news and market sentiment, which is very difficult to predict. Keep an eye on economic announcements, stay informed, and adapt your strategy accordingly. Thanks for watching and happy trading!